What is up, you guys? Okay, it is 92 degrees with a heat index of 101, and this is the only thing I got cool in my house right now. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you could do if this thing is not cooling your house. Now, if you've got one of those, this is not going to work for you. Just for window air conditioners and wall units. Okay? Okay, obviously you want to check to see if you got Freon and all this other stuff, but there's no leaks in this air conditioner. I already know that. One, because it is blowing cold air. One of the things that you do, this is right here, the back of my window unit, and you see these, like these copper lines, I guess is what they are. That's the high pressure side of the Freon is blowing through here, okay? Yes, I'm using Freon in this window air conditioner. I know that's kind of bad for the environment and stuff like that, but it was what I had at the time. But anyways, this back unit is the high pressure lines, okay? Basically Freon goes through a high pressure line, and then towards the front of the window AC, window unit, wall unit, it goes through a low pressure line, and that's the air that comes through your house is being cooled by. This is a high pressure line. It goes from high to low pressure, which cools your house. Obviously, if your house is not cooling down enough, one is you need to check your Freon. Two, you need to check your air circulation through the front of your AC. And three, you need to go back here and see if you got hot air. Now, I don't really have a whole lot of hot air. Now, I can check these little rivets right here, see if they got damaged and fix them up. They're not damaged, so what I'm going to do here is I've got cold water. The colder you get this water, the better this is going to work, okay? Obviously, you don't want ice. I mean, you can get bagged ice probably put it on top of the window. And I'm just going to pour it right on those, on this line here. And that's cooling down your high pressure line, so that as it goes into the low pressure line, it cools down even further, which basically means you can cool air in your house. Now, I'm going to do that. I'm also going to pour some right in here on the side. Get that full. It'll kick back up here in a little bit. The fan, I kind of overfilled it a little bit just because I want to change this water out because it's kind of warm. So I'll see you in a little bit when it kicks back up. Hasn't really kicked back up yet. To full power, that is. I probably put too much water in there, but that's okay. It's not going to damage anything the way that I got this set up. But I could already feel the warm air coming back out. So that's kicking up a lot of water and cooling it down a lot. So that's pretty much it. I don't have a thermometer to show you, so I will see you tomorrow. Peace out.